How does a reverse osmosis system get that chlorine out of water? As you guys might have seen in my previous video, this is chlorine. We want that out probably, right? The government says a little bit is okay. That was said in 1972. If that's a concern for you, as it is for me, you might want to be able to get that out. So we recommend an NSF-certified, that means National Sanitation Foundation reverse osmosis system to get that out. We use carbon to absorb that chlorine out of the water. Here is an example of a high quality NSF-certified system compared to a less expensive, or sometimes called cheap system, that, as you can see, is a lot smaller. So you can sort of see that there is a value difference between the two. Most importantly, that is the certification, where it's certified to take that chlorine back out of the water. If you're looking for more healthy water for you and your family, contact Angel Water. We're happy to help you out. If you'd like to learn how a reverse osmosis system works, watch my next video.